Hello and welcome to my new video. In previous video we focused on discovery and event management, powerful tools to detect and respond to infrastructure issues. Now it's time to understand how all the pieces of your infrastructure connect. Today we are diving into service mapping, a foundational capability that allows IT teams to visualize and manage service in real time, not just individual CIs. In this video, we will explore benefits of service mapping, features of service mapping customization, event mapping filters and rules. Let's begin with the value service mapping brings to the business. Benefits of service mapping. Service mapping allows you to create end-to-end visibility of services in your IT environment. Improve incident resolution. When an incident occurs, service mapping shows exactly which CI are part of service, speeding up root cause analysis. Business impact awareness. Understand how a failed database or network device affect your business critical service. Change risk assessment. Before making infrastructure changes, you can evaluate what services will be impacted. Enhanced CMDB accuracy. By continuously discovering service connections, service mapping helps maintain CMDB completeness. Simply put, service mapping helps bridge the gap between IT infrastructure and business outcomes. Features of service mapping. ServiceNow offers several built-in capabilities to support accurate and scalable service mapping. Pattern-based mapping uses discovery patterns to detect application and their communication paths. Dynamic updates. When changes occur in the environment, maps are automatically refreshed, ensuring real-time accuracy. Multiple protocol support supports HTTP, JDBC, SSH, WMI and many other protocols for mapping. Integration with CMDB. All data collected through service mapping feeds directly into the CMDB for real-time accuracy. These features ensure the maps are reliable, current, and connected to your broader item process. Then, service mapping customization. Every organization has unique environments. That's why service mapping offers flexibility to tailor the mapping process. Custom patterns. If out-of-the-box patterns don't fit your setup, you can build custom one using the pattern designer. Tag-based mapping. Especially useful in cloud environments, tag can be used to group resources into service automatically. Manual map adjustment. Sometimes adding or removing CI manually can refine the accuracy of service maps. Scope discovery. You can configure mapping to focus only on specific segments of your environment, saving time and resources. Customization ensures the service maps truly reflect your real-world services. So let's explore the service mapping plugin on my personal developer instance. So to use the functionality of service mapping, first we need the plugin for the service mapping. So yeah, this is the application manager, and here we have, this is the name of the plugin. So this is the application service mapping plus, and there are two family plugins for this: service mapping and performance analytics. So you must need to install this application and these plugins to access the service mapping module or use this functionality. Event mapping filters and rules. To make sure mapping actionable, you can link events directly to the service through mapping filters and rules. Event filters. These determine whether events are relevant to your service and should be displayed on the map. Correlation rules. You can define how events from the various CIs are rolled up into a single service level alert. Separation logic. helps reduce noise by hiding events that don't require immediate action. Impact visualizations. Events can be visualized directly on the service map, helping you access which services are impacted at a glance. This alignment of events and service maps gives your team and context they need to act quickly and intelligently. To summarize, service mapping transforms your IT visibility from infrastructure level to business service level. It empowers your team to resolve issues faster, reduce risk, and make smarter decisions. Up next in our course, we will go deeper into how to create field mappings, real-world discovery with the Tomcat and MySQL, and use tags for cloud-based service identification. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video as we continue to unlock the full potential of ServiceNow ITOM.